tell you what freedom is to me. No fear. I mean, really, no fear. If I could have that half of my life, no fear.
They told me I wasn't pretty enough because of my skin, my nose, my hair. I was scared to let go, to be free, to live with no fear. How perfect do I have to be for my life to matter? The sky tells me I'm beautiful. The trees have watched me summon peace and justice. The water thanks me for freeing my brothers and sisters from the bondage of the past. I now live with no fear. I have found my freedom. It lies with the branches of the tallest trees, the greenest grass, the prettiest sunsets. I am Mother Nature's daughter. I shine. I radiate. I embody the essence of a goddess. I am Earth's muse. My magic is immortal. My magic is undefeated. My magic is empowering, uplifting, inspiring. There is no force equal to a Black woman who is proud of her magic.